Hey guys, welcome back to Dalek Khan. This is just going to be a short video about 3 unboxing things. Move that chair out of the way. So what we're unboxing today is these. Quite a thick parcel here. I think I know what this is. Another thin parcel here. This one I know it already is, because there's an imprint there. And this one I have absolutely no idea. So, let's get straight into this video. So, this one first. Yeah, I knew it was an IC because it's so thin. God, do they have to use any more tape than this? Yep. Oh, no, it's not. No. Sorry, it's something different. Oh, this is my, yes, it is. This is my, my OLED display. Now, if you don't know what OLED is, it's a organic light emitting display, and they're really useful because what they actually do is they actually are flexible and they're less than 1/4 of an inch thick. I don't know what that is in centimeters. Trying to open it. I could just work it out. I don't want to do that. So it's got anti-static plastic on it, so that's what the coating is. Completely breaking it, but you know. Appears they double sealed it. So oh man, this is alright. I'll just have to work on that one later. Alright, so let's move on to this one. This one, I already know what it is. This is my IC extractor / remover. And what it does is it, yeah, guess what it does? It extracts ICs. So what I can do is, as you can see, so it's just that. So what I can do is I can get under an IC and just yank it out. And it prevents static discharge as well, so that's pretty cool. And now the last one, which is the quite thick one, it's actually quite heavy. I think I know what this one is, but I'm not certain. So yeah, let's look at it. Oh god. I forgot about these. Yeah. These are my mini breadboards. So these small breadboards are going to be used for different things in the future. But the awesome thing about them is that they actually are joinable. So I can get like a load of them and just, you know, stick them onto stuff. Like so. So, so yeah, that's pretty good. Now the good thing about them is that the way they're coloured, we got black, white, as you can see, we've got a couple of colours here. Right? Now, the good thing about them is that if I change this one to there. So if I remove these, and we go like this, as you can see, we've got red, green, blue, right? So I can have a couple of ICs on each of these, which will transmit to red, green, blue on, so for example, the OLED display. So that's good. That's good. I've got these. And then maybe I can have like a power circuit and a drain circuit or something. I don't know, something like that. As you can see, they're also joinable that way. So I could like, I don't know what I could do. The possibilities are endless. But yeah, so they also join onto my current breadboard, which is very good. But there you go. So I can have like two different circuits. So yeah, they are meant to be sticky taped on, as you can see here. I'm not going to sticky tape them on because I want to be able to move them around. I might just like stick them to something that's like a cardboard or something, a cardboard box or something. I don't know. But yeah, so that's that. So we've got an OLED display in the world's most protective wrapping. We've got an IC extractor. And we've got these. There you go. So guys, thanks for watching and we'll see you later. Bye.